How to fix Meta glasses not connecting to app. So before you're gonna check if the glasses are actually charged and turned on, the power switch must be on, of course, and you should see the LED going from blinking to solid green. And also ensure that the Bluetooth in your phone is enabled. If on iPhone, open Bluetooth settings and check whether the glasses are already paired. And if they are, try tapping on forget this device and reconnect it with Bluetooth. So this will clear old pairing info. So that often helps. If that doesn't work, you can try restarting both the glasses and your phone. You can turn the glasses off by going off for the power switch. You can wait a few seconds, then turn them back on. For your phone, just go ahead and try restarting them. You can also try an unpairing and repairing the glasses. So if our case or here Rock 05 is our glasses, go ahead to the Bluetooth settings of that device or your Meta glasses, then just go ahead and unpair the device. So once you put the glasses back in pairing mode, this is usually by placing them inside the case and pressing the pairing button on the back of the case for 5 seconds until the LED pulses blue. And then in the app, just go ahead to the add device section and then follow the prompts of the device you have selected. You can also try deleting the Meta AI View app from your phone, then reinstalling it, since sometimes the app version does give issues. Then because of that, there is pairing blocks. So just go ahead to your Play Store, go for Meta AI. Once you're there, you can uninstall the actual app and try reinstalling it again. If nothing works, you can do a factory reset for the glasses, since according to official troubleshooting guidance, if restarts and unpairing doesn't work, you may need to do a full factory reset. So which in most models, you can close the right temple arm, press the capture button 5 times until the LED turns orange, then hold until the LED flashes, then wait for the LED to cycle from white to green. Then from there on, just repair it from scratch with Bluetooth on the app, but this will erase stored captures like photos or videos on the glasses. If not, then there might be an actual technical problem in your Meta glasses, and there might need to be professional support that will be involved. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.